How serious is a drug DUI charge in criminal law? Have you ever wondered just how serious a drug driving under the influence charge really is? This is a topic that affects many people, and understanding it can help you navigate the legal system if needed. A drug driving under the influence charge is a significant criminal offense with serious legal consequences. It is treated similarly to a driving under the influence charge involving alcohol, and the penalties can escalate quickly with each subsequent offense. A drug driving under the influence occurs when someone operates a vehicle while impaired by drugs. This includes illegal substances, prescription medications, or other controlled substances. For a first-time violation, this offense is typically charged as a misdemeanor. However, if someone has multiple offenses or aggravating circumstances, it can escalate to a felony. Let's break down the penalties by offense level. For a first offense, the penalties usually include up to 6 months in jail, fines starting around $390, and a driver's license suspension that can last between 6 to 10 months. Additionally, mandatory education programs are often required, along with probation that can last 3 to 5 years. In some cases, jail time can be avoided with probation and completion of the education program. If someone is charged with a second offense within 10 years, the situation becomes more serious. Jail time can increase to up to 1 year, and fines may be higher. The license suspension can last from 1 to 2 years, and the mandatory education programs are often longer. Probation is common but may require serving some jail time first. For a third offense within 10 years, the penalties become even harsher. Jail time can range from 30 days to 1 year or more, and the license suspension can extend up to 3 years. Mandatory education programs can last 30 months or more, and the individual may be designated as a habitual traffic offender. Jail time is usually mandatory before eligibility for probation. When it comes to a fourth or subsequent offense, it is often charged as a felony. This can lead to prison time ranging from 16 months to 4 years or more, with higher fines that can reach several $1,000s. The license revocation can be longer or even permanent, and felony probation options may be available. It is also important to consider additional factors. If a drug driving under the influence charge causes injury or death to others, felony charges and enhanced penalties apply. Courts take into account the defendant's prior criminal history and the specific circumstances of the offense. They may also consider whether drug treatment programs would be beneficial. License suspension or revocation is a standard consequence of these charges, which can severely impact a person's ability to drive legally. Probation often includes strict conditions such as regular drug testing, attendance at treatment programs, and avoiding further legal trouble. From a criminal defense perspective, while a drug driving under the influence charge is serious, it does not guarantee a conviction or harsh sentence. Defense strategies may focus on challenging the evidence of impairment, the legality of the traffic stop, or drug testing procedures. Negotiating for reduced charges or alternative sentencing options like probation or treatment programs is also possible. In summary, a drug driving under the influence charge carries substantial legal risks, including jail time, fines, license loss, and long-term probation. The severity of the penalties increases with repeat offenses and aggravating factors. It is essential to take these charges seriously and seek qualified criminal defense assistance promptly.